Hi, welcome to Glow's Kinder Kitchen, and I'm Glow. Well, today I am making a coleslaw, and I'm making it in Oriental style. And so when I went to the store to get my cabbage this week, I decided to buy the Savoy cabbage because I think this cabbage will be very good for this recipe. In fact, I know it is. I've used it before. I don't know if you guys have ever purchased one of these. They're lighter in weight than the traditional cabbage head that we get, whether it's the green or the red. And look at these beautiful leaves. And I've washed this, but isn't that gorgeous?
There's a lot of detail in it.
Oh yeah. They're light and they have crevices in them, so it'll hold on to that dressing more. So what I usually do is I peel off these outer leaves. Now I don't throw these out. I save them for my stock and also for some soups that I'll do. But I'm going to peel this one off too. So this is what it looks like on the interior. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this over to the side, is first of all I need to put my glasses on. And I'm going to dry this off where got wet after washing it. So I don't need this whole head of cabbage for tonight. So I could cut out the core, but I'm not going to do that right now. But if you were going to cut out the core, you would go around it here and then put on a diagonal, and then you pull it out. But tonight I'm just going to use a small portion of it, and then I'll cut out the core in a little while. I just don't want to take the time to do it with you guys. So look how pretty that is on the inside too, and it's so light in weight. So I'm going to cut this in half, and then I'm going to slice this into small pieces like for coleslaw. So what I would do is I'm going to just go like this. But look how beautiful that is. It's like the cross between a lettuce, like a romaine lettuce, and a cabbage. I guess that's the best way to describe it. And it's sweeter, and it has an earthy flavor to it. It's just delicious. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting this up, and then I'll be back, and we're going to put the salad together.
Sounds good, Miss Glow.
Hi, well now we're ready to assemble this coleslaw. So I wanted to show you first how I store my cabbage. See, there's where I had cut off that piece. And so what I do is I wrap this up real tight in some plastic wrap. And then my produce bag I will wrap this up in, and I store it in my crisper. And it stays real nice, and very seldom will it discolor. So I just thought I'd share with you how I do mine.
How long do you think that'll last in there, Miss Glow?
Oh, a good couple of weeks.
Okay, good.
Yeah. If it lasts that long, because we use cabbage a lot. We eat a lot of cabbage.
Yeah, you're going to use it up.
It's very healthy for you. So we're going to go ahead and assemble this salad, which consists of red onion, which I diced up real small. And I shredded 1 carrot. And then I have these sugar-coated almonds, and we'll put a link in this video on how to make these. These are delicious. And then mandarin oranges, and it's just canned mandarin oranges, and you put in what you would like. And then I made up this Oriental dressing, and we'll put a link in the video at the bottom of the video as well on how to find this. This is delicious, all homemade. So what you do is you just take your onion, you put that in. Now, sometimes I'll put in the green onion, but I didn't have that today. And the red, actually, I think is prettier for color. And then 1 grated, and this is kind of a small carrot, and I just finally grated it.
1 carrot, and then how much onion was that? You might have
I would say it was probably half a cup.
Okay.
Now you can put as much as you want of all of this stuff. And then the mandarin oranges, you know, I usually start off with a couple spoonfuls. Look how pretty that's going to be.
So pretty. So
Actually, I'm going to put a few more oranges. It looks like it could use it. And then I drizzle the salad dressing over it. You put as much as you want. When I start off, I don't put a lot because as it sets here and marinates, you'd be surprised how little you really need.
Add it to your own taste.
Yep. And so I start off, less, and I can always add more. So I would say I probably put between an eighth and a quarter of a cup. I don't even think that. So I'm going to let this marinate for a while. Tonight I'm making tuna steak for dinner. So this is going to marinate while I get that together. And then we're going to have this along with our tuna steak. And I put the almonds, the sugared almonds on at the end just before serving. So I'll be back in just a little bit and we're going to sample this together. Well, our salad has been marinating for a while and look how beautiful this is.
Looks good.
Yeah.
Let's eat.
We're making it tonight to go along with our tuna and our fried rice, but I wanted to sample this for you guys. We'll just have some of those almonds that would have the sugar coating on them. That is just delicious. This cabbage is perfect for this slaw. Oh, it's so good, you guys. I didn't add any additional dressing to it. And you can tell it's very moist. Look at that. What a great salad to go along with tuna and pan-seared tuna. And this meal was so easy to put together. It would be a great weekday meal, at night or even on a busy weekend. It didn't take any time at all to put this together. So anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this. And if you have and you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do. And feel free to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you again for joining us today. We really appreciate it. Bye.